Today we're going to learn how to make a simple boat. It's going to look like this. So you can kind of see the inside is this light blue and the outside is this dark blue here. It's pretty simple. The only hardest part there is the last part where we're going to kind of flip the boat inside out. So first of all, you're going to take this top piece here and you're going to fold it so that it meets up with this piece. Okay, so you're going to start by just grabbing the corner and sliding it along your paper until it meets up with this edge. Slide it down, hold it, and use your bone folder to make butterfly wings. Push it out until both the wings pop up here and here, and then crease along the edge and crease along the edge like that. Then you're going to take your scissors and just cut right along this edge, right along where that triangle is. So when you're done, you take this little piece of scrap paper and throw it out. Okay, and you've just got a triangle. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open your triangle up, and you'll have this diagonal line running from corner to corner. Now you're going to fold your paper, the bottom edge up to the top edge. You're going to fold your paper in half. Now fold it in half and take your bone folder, crease to get your butterfly wings on either side, and then slide off to one side, slide off to the other side. Okay, then open it up and you have a line right here in the middle. Okay, we're going to fold the bottom edge up to the middle and the top edge down to the middle. So here you go, bottom edge to the middle, and leave yourself just a little bit of space. Don't fold it right on the line. Just leave yourself a little bit of space so it looks like that. And you can still see the crease. I'm going to rotate my paper around and fold the bottom up again and leave myself a little space. You don't want them overlapping at all. Okay, so there is my folded now, so you can see how those two flaps open up. Now you have a little triangle. You can kind of see it right here. Okay, that triangle, we're going to fold it into the center. Just like we did with our first piece of paper, we're going to fold this edge so that it meets up with this edge. So we'll fold it like this. Okay, and so now you see that triangle. Okay, then we're going to take this edge and fold it down just the same so we have another triangle. Like that. I'm going to rotate my paper around and do the same thing. Fold a triangle in towards the center. Then fold this triangle in towards the center. Use my bone folder. Alright, now we're going to do the next step. The next step is to again fold this line here in towards the center, and it's going to come up with a longish looking kind of triangle. And so this is what it looks like. You take it and you fold it so it meets up with the center line and crease it. It's going to look something like that. So you see this long weird looking triangle. You're going to do that on the top as well. We just got done doing it on the bottom. Now we're going to do it on the top. You want to make sure that you don't go over that center line here. Okay? Okay, so we've got two of them now, 1 and 2. I'm going to rotate around one more time and do the same thing on this side. And now you're going to run into a little bit of a different problem. Notice how this triangle is going to overlap that triangle. So let that happen. You're going to have to kind of pinch it down here and then crease it with your bone folder, and you'll notice where it overlaps right there, which is fine. We want it to overlap. That's how it should be. Okay, I'm going to do the top now, crease it down. Use my bone folder to make that crease nice and strong. Okay, now we're going to take this corner and this corner and fold them into the center. We're going to fold it right up like that so it meets the center. I'm going to crease it with my bone folder. Okay, I'm going to rotate it and crease it up and fold it one more time, like that. And now comes the fun part. You'll notice that right under here, there's this piece of paper that folds up and this piece of paper that folds up. What you're going to do is you're going to grab it and you're going to have it pointing towards your belly and pointing away from you. You're going to grab these two with your thumbs and you're going to push with your index finger and kind of pop this up and up like that, and reverse it, turn it around and pop these two edges up, and you're going to reverse it so the inside becomes the outside. Now if we flip it over, you'll see all the folding we've done is on the inside, and since it's been folded onto the inside, it's going to help keep itself together. And so that is our simple sampan or boat. It's a long canoe-like boat. Okay, and that's the final version of what it should look like.